Today we are at the Grand Georgian in the Blue Mountain Resort Village, and we are staying in a one-bedroom suite. The suite comes with a kitchen, table, pull-out couch, sitting area. So, and the light switches are all the way over here to get a little further in. There's the phone, call the front desk. And out to the balcony. Give you a quick tour of the kitchen. You get your standard fridge and freezer. It does roll out when you try to open it up. Traveling with children, we've brought some bagels and toast and cereal for breakfast. You get your stove and your microwave and plates, cutlery, pots and pans, a toaster, and dishwasher, coffee maker. Our toaster is actually broken, which we found out. One of the things does not pop up. As well, during your stay, due to COVID, there is no room service. They do not clean the rooms or replenish the rooms unless you are specifically requesting it. This is why we don't have any coffee on the third day. Your towels also, beds aren't made. You got to make your own beds. We did request room service one day, because when we went to pull out the couch, we had to make our own second bed. They wouldn't even come in to arrange that. There was popcorn and other snacks in there from previous guests. Your fireplace is here. And your AC is here. In your rooms, the bedsides have some lamps where you can plug in your phone. However, the plugs do not work unless you have the switch on. So if you want to charge your phone, you got to turn your switch on and then turn that off, and that will leave the plugs active. If not, you shut those lights and your phones will not be charged for the next day. Plenty of storage. You have two closets, one in the front hall, one here. You've got the dresser, and then the washroom. They provide you with a bar of soap, some shampoo, conditioner, and daily cleanser, and then one bar of soap there. Thank you for watching this room tour of the Grand Georgian's one-bedroom suite. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, leave a comment.